Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I absolutely love trying luxury food and drink. And this black ivory whole bean coffee definitely fits into that category and also happens to be really unique. It has this rich, robust flavor while at the same time having incredibly smooth taste. Because the processing and harvesting of these beans involves them being fermented by elephants, this means that it takes a lot of coffee berries for a relatively low yearly harvest. This makes these beans super exclusive. As soon as I opened the inner package that contained the beans, I was struck immediately by how amazing they smelled. I have prepared this coffee using both the pour over method and the French press method, and I found that both ways yielded beautifully prepared coffee. It gets this gorgeous silky crema on top, which I think I practically live for when it comes to coffee. The packaging is so chic and elegant. I would love to give this as a gift to one of my friends with really refined tastes. I have been really impressed by this special delicacy coffee, and I think everyone should try it at least once. But that's just my point of view.